Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and today I'm here in sunny Southern California. And right behind me is the Hyatt House here on West Century Boulevard at LAX. This is the place I stayed last night, and if we turn around, the entrance to the airport is right behind us, right there. It's really close to the airport. The shuttles come very frequently. So if you need to know if this is a place for you, come check out this video because I'm going to take you on a short little tour of the lobby and a short room tour. I had a great time, let me tell you. So let's go take a look now. Over here to the left is a hotel lobby reception. You check in right here. That area where you can buy food, some ice cream, some dishes to stick in your microwave. We have alcohol from White Claw to Miller to Modelo. We got some water down at the bottom. And a snack area, including some Red Bull. And it's really quick and easy to use. You scan the items here and check out on your own. That's fireplaces. Looks beautiful at night. Even have a pool table here in the lobby. And we have a hotel bar and a restaurant. It's called the Beacon. Concierge, and these are the elevators up to the rooms. But I had a ground floor level, and there's about 10 rooms down here on the bottom level. We have rooms to the left through this door, and right now I'm going to take you last night when let's flash back to last night when I gave the room tour, room 125 through here. And welcome to the Hyatt House. Room 125. We're here on the first floor of the Hyatt House. I'm not sure if there's any more rooms, but there's on the first floor it looks like there's about 5 rooms, and these 5 rooms are suites. And I was quite surprised to get a suite because I just wanted a king-size bed, and they put me here, and it was at a reasonable price. With taxes and everything, ran me on Priceline.com about $146 for the evening. And we'll check out the suite here at the Hyatt House. Here we go. Let me tell you guys, this place is pretty gorgeous. My mouth dropped when I walked in here. I wasn't expecting anything like this because this is not what I asked for. It was more than I asked for. You got a dishwasher. Look at this dishwasher here. Unbelievable, guys. And microwave with convection. Look at that. And a stovetop. We have a freezer. A nice sized refrigerator here. Of course, this stuff is not free, and this is not mine. And I'm sure if you grab one of these, they'll charge you for it on your bill. And over here we have some more hard liquor and wine. Yeah, Pinot Noir. Some snacks. This is really, really good. I am really impressed with this. To the left here we got the bathroom. We'll check that out in just a moment. A little sneak peek. And here we have the couch. And I'm not sure if this pulls out. I'll pick it up right now to find out. And it looks like, guys, this does pull out. We have a TV set out here in the lounge area. And out the back here, since we're on the first floor, there's a nice little, it's not a crummy alleyway, but there's a little alleyway. That's where I was actually dropped off out back. There is my shuttle. That's the one that dropped me off right there. And you just walk down that walkway there to the hotel lobby. Not far at all. And it was pretty cool. It wasn't scary or anything. And this room is amazing. Bedroom, nice large bed here. And another large screen TV. Actually, I was wondering if you can walk out these doors. I don't think so. It does not look like it. It's just windows back here. I'm not sure if you can tell the alleyway. It's a parking garage right on the other side. It's very clean. Looks just a few years old. Doesn't look, I mean, the style is very retro, but yet it's not old. It's very clean. Smells fresh in here. The only thing I could find that was not appealing are the marks on top of this. And there's a bureau here, but it's scuffed up because that's where you put your luggage, and I'm sure a lot of people put their luggage up there. That's the only thing I could see like worn at all. And it's not that bad. To the left here we have the closet. Got my stuff hung up already. Oh, how do you get this open? Strange. There we go, and it's open. Very roomy closet. And the bathroom at last. To the right here, got the sink. And the shower area. And guys, that looks like it's about it. I'm very happy with this room. Very satisfied. Very surprised to get this for a regular price room. That's just my luck today. One more look around. And there's your tour. Have a great night, because I know I am. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me here in sunny Southern California at the Hyatt House, here right next to the airport, LAX. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos. And if you want my opinion, this was a great place to stay. I enjoyed it. I got it for about $146 a night with taxes all included. I didn't have a car to park, so that's extra also. When I got off the plane, I got straight to the airport shuttle and then here to the hotel. Earlier this morning, I went and actually picked up my car at Dollar Rent-A-Car, which is a 20-minute walk. That's what I did. You do you, I do me. And remember, guys, before we go, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.